Namaskar dosto, Jai Hind. Struggling with technical SEO? Join our 5-day beginner-friendly course and learn how search engines actually read your website. Then fix it the right way. In day 1 and day 2 of this technical SEO course, you'll clearly understand what technical SEO is, how search engines crawl and index websites, and how to use tools like Google Search Console to check indexability, manage sitemaps and robots.txt, fix crawl errors, and build a strong technical SEO foundation step by step. In day 3, you'll learn how website speed and mobile optimization impact user experience and Google rankings by understanding core web vitals, mobile-first indexing, and fixing speed issues using tools like Page Speed Insights and Lighthouse. In day 4, you'll explore structured data and HTTPS to help search engines better understand your content, improve SERP visibility with schema markup, and build trust by securing your website properly. In day 5, you'll learn how to perform a complete technical SEO audit by identifying issues like duplicate content, broken links, indexing problems, and redirect errors using professional tools. You'll then optimize your website step by step, implement fixes, and monitor performance improvements through Google Search Console for long-term SEO success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and share it with others who can benefit. Subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to stay updated with more valuable content.